here's another example of a first order differential equation. I want you to solve it, and this one can be solved by separating the variables. So pause the video, write it down, go ahead and solve it. Okay, you finished solving it. What did you get? Alright, so let's look at it. You want to separate the variables x and y. You have the x and y as the variables mixed up here, and you have it mixed up here as well. They're mixed up on both sides, left and right. You want to separate them. Alright, suppose we want the y on the left hand side. Suppose you multiply both sides by y plus 1. You would have xy, y plus 1, dy by dx equals x squared plus 1. And you divide by x. So x would divide itself over here, and this is over x. And you multiply by dx. So what you'll have is dx. Alright, so you have y plus 1 dy equals x squared plus 1 dx. Now you can do your integration. Right? Remember, if you're doing this in exam, don't try erase them and put them together. Although it wouldn't be practical to do that. You will show each step, all the steps, and show you're working, all working. It's better you show too much working than show too little working. It's good to have even more working than required. Alright? So here now, let's multiply with the brackets. You have integral of y squared plus y dy equals the integral of x squared over x plus 1 over x dx. But this part, x squared over x is x, so let's put the x there. So what you have here now is y cubed over 3 plus y squared over 2. Right? You see that? You have to know how to deal with your power rule when you deal with your integration. This is x squared over 2 plus ln x, and then you put your plus c. So that is your solution.